we will see what an Android is, history of Android versions, what an Android developer is, what you should learn to be Android developer, and tools required to learn Android. Android is mobile operating system based on the Linux kernel and developed by Google as a software bunch comprising not only operating systems but also middleware and key applications. Over millions of devices run Android worldwide. Android was designed primarily for smartphones and tablets. But Google has further developed Android TV for televisions, Android Wear for wrist watches, and Android Auto for cars. History of Android. Android Inc. was founded in Palo Alto, California in October 2003 by Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White with an intent to develop advanced user interface for digital cameras. Rubin described the Android project as tremendous potential in developing smarter mobile devices that are more aware of its owner's location and preferences. Rubin had difficulty of attracting investors early on, and Android was facing eviction from its office space. Steve Perlman, a close friend of Rubin, brought him $10,000 cash in an envelope, and short thereafter wired an undisclosed amount as seed funding. Perlman refused a stake in the company and has stated, "I did it because I believed in the thing, and I wanted to help Andy." In July 2005, Google acquired Android Inc. for at least $50 million. Its key employees, including Rubin, Miner, and White, joined Google as part of the acquisition. Not so much was known about the secretive Android at the time, with the company having provided few details other than that it was making software for mobile phones. At Google, the team led by Rubin developed a mobile platform powered by the Linux kernel. The first commercially available smartphone running Android was the HTC Dream, also known as T-Mobile G1, announced on September 23, 2008. HTC Dream was released as the first consumer device running Android. In November 2007, the Open Handset Alliance (OHA) was established by 34 founding members dedicated to development of open mobile standards, including Google, mobile manufacturers, application developers, embedded systems developers, and commercialization companies. The goal of this alliance is to accelerate innovation in mobile and offer consumers a richer, less expensive, and better mobile experience. Since the first release 2008, Android has seen numerous updates which improved the operating system, adding new features and fixing bugs in previous releases. Over the next 3 years the hardware and platform were heavily iterated, but Android remained solely a phone operating system. In 2011, Google introduced 2 new form factors for the Android tablets and TV. This represented the first official deviation from phones as the device of choice and sparked manufacturer interest in other devices. Android now runs on laptops, wristwatches, video game consoles, and car stereos. It can only be expected that in the future the number of devices supporting Android will continue to grow. The Android version list runs from A to P, with code names ranging from the earlier to more recent. Here are the lists. Android 1.0 Estro was released in September 2008. Android 1.1 Blender was released in February 2009. Android 1.5 Cupcake was released in April 2009. Android 1.6 Donut was released in September 2009. Android 2.0 and 2.1 Eclair was released in October 2009. Android 2.2 Froyo was released in May 2010. Android 2.3 Gingerbread was released in February 2011. Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich released in October 2011. Android 4.1 and 4.3 Jelly Bean was released in July 2012. Android 4.4 KitKat released was in October 2013. Android 5.0 and 5.1 Lollipop released in November 2014. Android 6.0 Marshmallow released in October 2015. Android 7.0 and 7.1 Nougat released in August 2016. Android 8.0 and 8.1 Oreo released in August 2017. Android 9.0 Pie was released in 2018. The reason behind using names of sweet versions is the vision of Android founders, which is to make the user's experience sweeter. Android software development is a process which applications are created for devices running Android operating system. Android developer is a software developer who specializes in designing application for Android operating system. In order to be an excellent developer, you must know the following basic things. 1. Java. Java is programming language used by developers. In Android, Java is used to control the behaviors of your application. 2. XML. All the user interface and layouts of UApp is designed using XML, and parsing data feeds from internet is also done using XML. XML helps you to design UApp in terms of how it looks, how components like button, text view, etc. will be placed in their styling. 3. SQL. You'll also need to learn the basics of SQL in order to organize databases within Android apps. SQL is a language for expressing queries to retrieving information from databases. 4. Kotlin. Kotlin is a cross-platform, statically typed general-purpose programming language with type inference. Kotlin is designed to interoperate fully with Java, and the JVM version of its standard library depends on the Java class library, but type inference allows its syntax to be more concise. Or simply, 1. Expertise in Java and Kotlin or both. 2. Vital Android SDK concept. 3. Decent experience with SQL. 4. Knowledge of Git. 5. XML basics. 6. Understanding of material design guidelines. 7. Backend programming skills. There are many tools out there to use freely, like Android Studio, Eclipse IDE, IntelliJ IDE, NetBeans IDE, etc.